Right now we'll discuss about tuple topic, tuples and sets. It's a very easy topic. I will explain in a easy way. These are will covered in this video. Now we'll understand what is tuple. A tuple is a imagine your book movie ticket. Your seat number is A12. Once the ticket is printed, you cannot change the seat yourself. The like tuple works like this way. You cannot change. It is a immutable and stores multiple values, cannot be changed after creation. It stores multiple value, cannot change. Already I told to you, once your book ticket will be booked in a particular location, you cannot change, you cannot replace it. That way the tuple will be worked. Python example. Now student Harish 19 CSE AI department. Print student. Output Harish 17, Harish 19. 19 means age. Harish is a name, 19 is age, and the department is CSEI. This the output will be displayed like this by using this is a parenthesis. Parenthesis. Tuples can contain represent the data by using parenthesis like braces. Then why tuple? Why use tuples? Use a tuple when the data show near change. Data never change. Example, date of birth. Your date of birth cannot change. GPS coordinates cannot change. Ticket number cannot change. RBG colors value cannot change. Like this way, tuple also cannot change. Once you created it never change. Create a tuple. Colors red, green, blue. Single item tuple. Number 10. The comma is represented as a single item tuple. It is a single item tuple. That's why you mentioned by comma. Then axis tuple element. Index axis. If you want to axis element in the tuple by using index value. 0 represents red and 1 index represent green and 2 index represent blue. Print color 1. Output. Colors means variable name. 1 means index value. Then 1 index value what data it is? Green. The output becomes green. In case if here you enter 2, then output, what is the output? Tell me. Output is blue. Can we change the tuple colors? Can you change the tuple? We cannot change. If you want to add black color by replacing red replace to black, the output cannot be changed. The data cannot be changed. The output becomes error. Tuple methods. Here we have some tuple methods is there. One count index. These two is a count means how many letter how many, first of all numbers means 10, 20, 20, 30. Count how many 20s is there? 2 20s is there. They will count and displayed here 2. And index value 30 index value 0 1 2 3. 3 is a index value. The output will be displayed 3. It's correct. If here one more 20 is there. Here we have 2 20s is there. What is the output right now? 1 2 3 4. Here 4 will be displayed. And what is a set? Right now you understand list. We will rewind once again. List is immutable, it cannot be changed. And for example, movie ticket, if you book the movie ticket, then the movie ticket number and movie ticket seat allotment, that it never change. Like that way tuple also work like that. It cannot be changed, never change. Your date of birth, GPS, ticket number, RBG colors, this never change. Once created it never change. And index value, if you access the data by using through index values, they have two methods, count and index method. These methods used to access the data. And right now we will discuss about set. A set, if imagine your bag contain pen, book, pen, bottle, book, like when you remove duplicates, pen, here 2 pens, remove pen, book, bottle, a set automatically remove duplicates values. Now I think you understand. Here two pens is there. The set automatically remove unwanted data, means remove duplicates, remove unwanted data, remove any unauthorized data. The set remove automatically itself. Here two pens is there. The set will verify it and display pen, book, bottle. They remove duplicates. Here items. Right now this is example. This example converted into the code format. Then we'll easily identify items. Have some items. One pen is there, book is there, one more pen is there, and one bottle is there. If you enter here one more bottle, then they will display only one bottle is there. Print items. Here look at it. In the square braces, the data will pen, book, bottle. Where is one more pen? They filter it automatically. Why use sets? Why so many people had so many coders using these sets? You did not want to duplicate values. You need fast searching. Order does not matter. In list they contain order. This is not contain any order. You will not watch duplicate values, because duplicate values contain so much of storage, and so much they will conflict will be occur while you are understanding the data. Then create a set. One more time we are creating a set. Right now I have some fruits. Variable name is fruits is equals to, we are using is equals to operator. Then apple, banana, orange. If now right now we are adding one banana, one apple. If you are adding one banana, then they will display one type of one banana one time only, not two times. Right now we are adding mango. By using add method. Add method used to add the data into that set. Remove fruit will be added mango. Here we displayed mango, and we are removing apple. There are remove method used to remove the values. Then you print of fruits. Then remove the apple, and automatically they will displayed like banana, orange, and here one you added recently mango. Then mango also displayed here. Like this way the output will be displayed. Then set operators: union, intersection, difference. This is the operator set operators. Union means in any duplicate will be here 1 2 3 4 5. In the duplicates they will display only one time, not two times. That is the process of union. Right now intersection means 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 3 4 5. Intersection means what is the common values in these both sets? Can you tell me in the comments? 3 is a common, so the 3 value displayed in the output. Then difference 1 2 3 4 5 6. Difference, what is the difference? Right now we are comparing A difference to B, because 3 will be cancelled and they will display only 1 2. Here we have one table, difference between list, tuple and sets. List means square braces and tuple means normal braces, and set means curly braces. This way they will understand. Can change list always will be changed by using methods. Tuple can once they will created cannot be changed, like date of birth, Aadhaar card number, like movie ticket booking, ticket ID, like this way. And set means set also anyway you change. It is in a unordered, and it cannot contain any duplicate values like that. And duplicates, it cannot contain duplicate values. List tuple contain so many duplicate values. Then ordered list tuple in a order way, set in a unordered format. Then practice programs. Right now we'll discuss about tuple variable name using braces and string. Right now I entered my name and my age. Then print student. Student is 0. 0 means index value 0. It is 0 1. 0 means Harish. The output becomes Hari. Here I entered 1. The output becomes, what is the output? Tell me in the comments. Output becomes 19. Then sets. Numbers 10, 20, 30. Numbers dot add. It's called for 40. Print numbers. Remove duplicates. Right now we are removing duplicates. Numbers 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. I already told you list. Can we remove unwanted data and remove duplicates? Right now we remove 2 they displayed only one time and 4 display only one time. The output becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this is set, and we will discuss multiple choice questions. Which bracket is used for a tuple? Which bracket? This bracket used to tuple. This is set. This square brace, curly braces use set. These braces use tuple. Then what data structure automatically remove duplicate values? What data structure? List, tuple, set, dictionary, set, string. What data? Can you tell me what data structure? It's set. Okay. What data structure cannot be modified after creation? Once it created, they cannot be changed. What data structure it is? Tuple. Why tuple? Once created, date of birth, movie ticket ID, you already will learn it. Then tuple, it cannot be changed. Once created, cannot be changed. Interview question. What is tuple? Tuple is a ordered immutable collection of data. Immutable means cannot change. Mutable means change. Set means unordered collection of unique items, duplicate values automatically removed. And tuple instead of a list. Use a tuple when the data should not change, such as date of birth, coordinators, and configuration values. Like this way. Quick reason. Easy way we will discuss in a easy way. List means store multiple values, can change, allow duplicates also. Duplicates also means if you are going to shopping mall, you use same product multiple times. It's not a problem. In the tuples, store multiple values. Once you store it, you cannot change. If you pack one product, it cannot be changed because it packed already. Allow duplicates. In case one packet you so much of same chocolates is there. This way tuples also contain so much of duplicates. Then set stores unique items. Unique items means if you take one product value, you must take only one product value. You cannot take so much of products, same company, same brand values, same brand data. You cannot take so much of times because chocolates, you take one chocolate. If you take same brand, same chocolate 2 more times, it will shortlist and remove duplicates automatically. Orders is not guaranteed. Okay, this is a whole topic. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video.